The Google Pixel 8 was released at the end of 2023. It's now 2026. The phone is already 2.5 years old, and it's competing with the Pixel 9, Samsung Galaxy S25, and several other models. Today's question is straightforward. Is it worth buying the Pixel 8 in 2026, or is it better to spend that money on something else? Right now, you can find the Pixel 8 for 450 to 550 euros, depending on the seller and, of course, the availability of the device. That's about 150 to 200 euros cheaper than when the Pixel 8 was first released. The new Pixel 9 costs around 700 to 750 euros in the same configuration. And the first argument in favor of the Pixel 8 in 2026 is Google's update support. They promise 7 years of operating system and security updates for the Pixel 8. This means the phone will receive the latest version of Android at least until 2030. Among Android devices, this is one of the longest support cycles on the market. If you take, for example, the Samsung Galaxy A series, it usually offers about 4 years. At the time of recording this video, the Pixel 8 is already running Android 15 and continues to receive monthly security updates. For comparison, the iPhone 12 from 2020 no longer receives the latest version of iOS. The second argument is the camera. The Pixel series has historically been strong in photo processing. The main camera is 50 megapixels with an aperture of 1.68 and optical stabilization allow it to shoot well in any lighting conditions. Google's algorithms for HDR processing and night shooting continue to be updated through software updates, and the Pixel 8 camera in 2026 works even better than at launch precisely thanks to these software improvements. The camera's limitation is the telephoto lens. The Pixel 8 does not have optical zoom, only up to 8 times digital zoom. When shooting with zoom at a distance of more than 5 to 7 meters, the level of detail drops noticeably. The Pixel 8 Pro, with its 5 times optical zoom, is stronger in this regard. The third argument is the magic eraser function, best take, call screen, and live transcription in the recorder. All of this continues to work on the Pixel 8, and with each update, new features appear as part of the Pixel feature drop. Some features from the Pixel 9 device also come to the Pixel 8 through updates. There are exceptions. Some AI features of the Pixel 9 require the Tensor G3 neural processor and will not appear on the Pixel 8. But the basic set, background editing, transcription, and call screen remains fully available. Now let's talk about where the Pixel 8 falls short in 2026. This is the Tensor G3 processor. It's not weak, but it's not the latest either. In demanding games and during prolonged loads, it heats up more than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Tensor G4. The 4575 mAh battery with intensive use lasts for about 10 to 11 hours of screen time, and phones with 5 to 6000 mAh in the same price range last about 13 to 16 hours of active use. And now let me share my opinion and sum things up. The Pixel 8 in 2026 is worth buying if you value a long Android support cycle, a good camera with constant software improvements, and access to the Pixel AI ecosystem of features. If your main priorities are battery life and gaming performance, then for the same money, phones with a bigger battery and Snapdragon will offer more in these specific categories. And that's all. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye!
Thank you.